I'm in a phase of big changes right now, and my life is shifting, is transitioning, just like the season is transitioning from summer into autumn. Hence, I feel very aligned to nature. Well, hello everyone, I'm Harshita, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making a video after 6 long months, and a lot of things have changed, yet a lot of things feel the same. The duality of life, I guess. So, by the title, you must have already read that I am going through a big change, which is that I have recently moved into a new house and I've been feeling a lot of feelings. Mostly good ones, some blah ones, some really messy ones, and some neutral that do not really hold any emotions. You tell me, what phase are you in right now? And are you also transitioning and trying to settle into a new environment? And how have you been feeling about it? We're not taught how to navigate when life goes through a lot of changes and transitions, and how to not feel lost, overwhelmed, and anxious. How to stay neutral and watch all of this happening from an outside perspective and not get involved in the happenings of it. And I think this particular change is teaching me all of this. Settling into the new house, restructuring my lifestyle, letting go of old habits, people, memories, and so much more. Making space to welcome the unknown, the unexpected, and prepping myself mentally to embark on a new journey and a whole new chapter altogether, and making mindful choices and decisions. I have never had a room all to myself. I mean, I did for a few months in between, but that was very temporary. But this one, this time feels very, very official. I have always shared my room with a sibling or a roommate. This is literally the first time I have the whole room to myself, and I'm getting to spend a lot of time with me. And it has given me a chance to know myself better. Mostly, it feels really good. But there are times where I feel really lonely just being by myself. But that does not mean I'm going to run away and put myself into situations where I don't have to sit with myself, my emotions, and my feelings. In the past month, I really got this very strong urge to disconnect from social media. Not because I was spending a lot of time on social media, but because it became a very disturbing place for me mentally. And in that period, I had so much time to myself, to give to my loved ones, to explore new things, do new things, just be present in the present moment and introspect on a lot of areas of my life. One of which was to release expectations. Expectations of something good happening to me without me doing anything. I have come to an acceptance that just knowing that things will happen for you for sure, but you have to put a lot of effort, consistent effort into doing that thing. I was just sitting and hoping that things will fall into place, things will work out for me. I might not have to lift a finger, but nope, that's not the case. Things don't work out on their own just because you're hoping for them to work out. And even if they do, the process is extremely slow. So, if you want to speed up the process, take charge, do the action, because it is always want plus action is equal to result. So, yeah, acceptance in a lot of areas. And one of the major things that has helped me cope up with all of this change has been accepting how I navigate through life, how I make decisions, how I make choices, and not trying to change myself or push myself into doing something different, into changing something. Just observing myself, just letting myself be, and giving myself space to feel emotions, to do things at a certain pace, and eventually make mindful decisions on how I can navigate all of this in a better way going forward. Because at the end of the day, it's you for you, not you against you, right? So, taking it slow. Slow is good, right? Oh, and remember, this one's for you and for me, that we are all growing at a very rapid speed. We might not realize it, but we are. Just like travelers on an airplane do not realize the speed of the airplane until unless they hit a turbulence patch, right? Similarly, people are not aware of the speed of their growth or the change that is happening to them when they are in the process. Once they're out of the process and have moved forward, after some time, in retrospection, they will realize, oh, that was a good speed. That was good. And as we navigate our journeys of change and growth, I want to leave you with this thought to ponder on or to journal upon. If this transition were a gift that you are slowly unwrapping, what is that one beautiful thing that you have discovered about yourself or your life? Well, that's all for today. And thank you so much for being here, sharing this space, and listening to my story and literally opening your heart for me. I too want to know about your story, your transitional phase, and how you have been feeling. So please write to me in the comments. I'll be waiting for your comments, okay? Alright, then I'll see you in another video. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love.